So how do we actually fix our PlayStation 5 overheating? So I was able to fix it like that. There's going to be two ways to actually fix it. And the first way is to go to settings here, as you can see, and then on settings click on users and accounts. And then click on other and click on restore licenses. Now you're gonna restore licenses for the games that you clearly play the most, I would say. And then click on restore in the bottom right corner. And then just wait a couple of seconds for it to finish this loading process right here. So we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds here for it to finish. And once it's finished, what you also need to do is to check your storage. So if your storage is almost full, or if it has, you can see I have 190 gigabytes left, which is fine. But let's say your blue line is like here, or almost like almost the end basically, then I would recommend you to delete at least one game that you're not playing. So for example, if you want to delete a game, you just have to hover over it here and then click on this button here and then click on delete, as you can see here. And there's going to be one more thing to do, and that is to click on settings here. And then what we need to do is we need to click on saved data and game app settings and then game presets. So this one right here, performance mode or resolution mode, change this one to performance mode instead if you haven't already done so. So now try again. If it still is overheating, it might be the reason might be because your fan is basically, it has a lot of dust in it and you have to clean the fan itself, which is, it can be a hassle and you need to be really careful. So you need to open up your PlayStation 5 and then just gently clean your fan and then put it back and try once again. And hopefully that will be able to fix it for you as well.